30 years back when I was a student. I attended one art camp, not as an artist but just as a visit. There I have found that most of the artists were using some images taken from that location. Like that camp was held at Akulam in Thiruvananthapuram. So Akulam is lake side. So in all the paintings, some boats or lake itself or some coconut trees were depicted. So that time itself it was registered in my mind that when you take part in an art camp, you should include some elements, some images from that spot. Thereafter, I have got chances to take part in a number of art camps, and every time I try to include something taken from that place. Let it be a tree or a building or objects like pebbles or stones or leaves or a fallen flower. So I try to use all those elements in my painting. It's in fact it's not an easy task, and it's really challenging because we are not getting enough time to prepare anything, or we are not getting time for any homework. All of a sudden we are finding something and then we are manipulating that, and some sort of improvisation is taking place. When I visited Pepper House, in fact I was lucky enough that I could find some really good stuff to use in my painting. As you know, it's a permanent venue for the Cochin Musaris Biennale, and that ambience itself gives us some sort of encouragement, some sort of enthusiasm to work. The elegant entrance, like the door of a castle, and the paved passage, lush green courtyard, and beautifully maintained garden. And the garden itself is having so many sculptures kept, and some of the sculptures are covered with creepers and leaves. And one of such sculpture was my target, and which I have selected to paint with. So when everyone were comfortably sitting inside the building, I preferred the outdoor in front of that sculpture, the hot sun, and I started sketching with Sudha 68 crayons, brown and black. And I didn't want to make an object study or a nature study like stuff. So when I have finished the preliminary sketch, I have shifted my seat to the indoors and started painting from my memory. And this time I have selected a very limited palette with some yellows and violet. When I have applied the acrylic colors over the charcoal sketch, some unexpected result emerged, like some nice tones and shades I have got, and that has given some added effect to this work. Thank you.